Hi friends, as today's theme is about forgiveness, let's see a craft about forgiveness. So the things needed are scale, a paper, a glitter sheet, a cardboard paper, glitter pen, pencil and fevicol and scissors. Let's start. First, let's cut the heart from the glitter sheet. You will get a heart like this. Draw a broken cut like this and cut it into two parts. You will get it like this. So first, you gotta get a chart like this. Place the yellow paper here and cut as per the chart correctly. Now, cut this paper. Now, you'll get it like this. Now, bend the cardboard like this. And now, here you have to cut it. Cut a short piece. Now, cut a short piece of it. And you'll get it opened here. Now, open it and see, you can find a box here. So here we'll be placing the heart and here it will be coming down. You got to keep this paper under this opened box. Place the gum, glue it and stick it. Now stick the edge of the left heart here. Now you can glue it like this. Make sure the other heart is visible. So now take the other side of the piece. You got to have a strip like this to insert. Let your heart go inside and up. Stick it upside down. Make sure that the heart is connected to the other heart. Let it dry for some time. Use a double-sided tape to close this area. Now we have made this halfway. Right? You are forgiven. Here. So it's ready. You are forgiven. Share it with your friends and say that you are forgiven. Remember, God loves you. You are forgiven. Bye.